Are you struggling with the home organizing challenge? Could you possibly benefit from an extra set of ears, eyes, or perspectives? Well, if so, I've got the perfect opportunity for you. Hi, my name is Sherry Curley. I'm also known as the Practical Sort because I provide practical home organizing solutions in an eco-friendly way. I'm also an organizing motivator, speaker, and writer. And on Tuesday, February 23rd at 10 a.m. Pacific time, I am offering a free workshop, Home Organizing 101, Ask the Organizer event, in which you are invited to take the hot seat, bring along whatever your organizing challenge is, and as a group in a fun social environment, we will try to come up with solutions just for you. You can find out all the details at my website, thepracticalsort.com. Again, it's thepracticalsort.com. There you can register for this online event. You will get the online details once you register. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me at thepracticalsort.com. I hope to see you there. There are only 5 seats available, so register now so you can reserve your spot to work out your organizing challenge. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.